Hello, I am here at Metro Supermarket to buy my sari-sari. That's all. Yong taknim kamsamida. Bye-bye. Okay, I am here at Metro Supermarket to buy sari-sari. And this is the sari-sari store that I bought. So, corned beef, and beef loaf, and this. So, and this. Also, one punch bar. And that's all. Yong taknim kamsamida. Bye-bye. Asayo, Yong taknim. This is the sari-sari that we already bought. We have here sliced bread, Milo, roasted canton, carne norte, century tuna, soy sauce, and sukang puti, paypay tuna, ajinomoto, beef loaf, magic sarap, lakini, and piatos. So, Yong Takmin, thank you so much for your generous support for our sari-sari. Your kindness and help mean a lot of us. May God bless you for your generosity. That's all. Kamsamida. Bye-bye.